Welcome to the video lecture series on topic is aero engineering thermodynamics and the specified details explanation for closed, open and isolated property, state, path and process. So first we have to know about what is thermodynamics and what is meant by a thermodynamic system. So thermodynamic system is defined as a definite quantity of matter or a region in space upon which attention is concentrated for the analysis of a problem. Everything in this universe external to the system is called the surroundings. The system is separated from the surroundings by the system boundary. Every interaction between the system and surrounding occurs across the boundary. So in this diagram is explained about what is open system and what is closed system and isolated system and adiabatic system. So from the figure 1 is an example for an open source system in thermodynamics. Here it is a heat in and heat out object will be is presenting is there, and work in and work out with the matter will be the escapes of the open system. And the closed system, the heat sources are presented and the work system are not considered for the thermodynamics law of the first system. So the both systems is called as open and closed system. An isolated system means there is an empty, there is a no mass transfer and heat transfer will be occurring in that. So that is called isolated system. And the adiabatic system, that will be a present of only in the work that consider about the mass system. There is a no heat transfer system. So they will be considered as an adiabatic system. And an open system can exchange both energy and matter with its surroundings. The stovetop example would be an open system because heat and water vapor can be lost to the air. A closed system, on the other hand, can exchange only energy with its surroundings, not a matter. So the next chapter is will be the path and the point process. So commonly the path will be there is an exact way of that work process will be involved in there. So in a thermodynamics, path means the series of states passes through a system during a change from one equilibrium state to another, and the process when the path followed by the system during change from one equilibrium state to another is completely specified initial and final conditions. Interactions with the surrounding, it is called as a process. So the continuous of an macroscopic process, there is a first law of thermodynamic equation Q is equal to del E plus work done. And some terminology will be presented as a process and the system path. The process means the system change from an initial state to one final state. And the path means the total of all intermediate steps between the initial state and the final state in a change of state. And the types of process is there is a four types of process is isobaric, isochoric, isothermal, adiabatic, and cyclic process. In the isobaric is carried out at the constant pressure, and isochronic carried out at a constant volume, and isothermal it's carried out at a constant temperature, and adiabatic it's carried out with no heat exchange. And cyclic process, it will be the initial state of is equivalent to the final state of the system. And summary of the state and process, it will be located in the image. It will be the image drawn between the volume and pressure. So the both A and B is the state, and A1 to B is in a path, and A to B is also a path, and A3 to B is also a process, and A to B is in a process, and A to B and B to A is in an example for a cyclic process. So this is the summarized path of the state path and process of thermodynamics. So it will be also modified about the some conditions criterion of the previously we said the 5 type of process will be in there. So this is the some external sources references for aero engine thermodynamics, which concept is related to the closed, open, and isolated process system. Thank you.